Sheraton Hannover Pelikan Hotel. 4 stars. Offering international and fusion cuisine and good transport connections, this elegant hotel is located directly beside Eilenriede City Forest in Hanover. The modern hotel provides unique accommodations in the former Pelikan fountain pen factory from 1906. Breakfast was lovely, very convenient location. Quiet place but full of history. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. I like all. The room, the staff, the breakfast. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.